I'm going to be showing you how to get Erudition in Honkai Star Rail. So the path of Erudition in Honkai Star Rail is unlocked by completing the Gold and Gears game mode within the simulated universe. So this requires players to unlock all the Trailblaze and Eon secrets in Gold and Gears. Then clear the mission called Golden Gears The End. So the Erudition path was introduced in the game's patch 1.6 update and is designed around the area of effect, damage, and ultimate abilities, making it beneficial for teams that can make full use of ultimates. So it is one of the 8 playable paths in the game, corresponding with the Eon Noose, and emphasizes thoughtful, logical, and strategic actions. So that's how you get Erudition path in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.